Hey there, everyone. So in this video, we're going to talk about something that we'll call other linking verbs. And what I mean by this is that these are linking verbs that look a little different from the other linking verbs that you've learned thus far. Now, we've talked about our most common linking verbs: am, are, is, was, were, being, and been. These are all forms of the verb to be, right? Well, there are some other linking verbs, and these types of linking verbs work like double agents. They look the exact same as action verbs, and sometimes they are action verbs, but they can also function as linking verbs. It just depends on how they function in the specific sentence. Do they express action, or do they perform more of a linking function? Let's take a look. The following are some of the most common other linking verbs, those double agents that you'll see in writing: to feel, to taste, to look, to sound, to become, to remain, to seem, and to appear. Watch how the word feel can work both ways. I feel the damp washcloth. Feel is an action verb in this sentence because it shows action. Compare that to I feel happy. In this sentence, feel is a linking verb because there's no action. Instead, feel is linking I to happy. Happy is an adjective that describes the word I. See the difference? Let's look at one more using the verb to sound. He sounded the fire alarm. Sounded is an action verb here. To sound the alarm is to ring or set off the alarm. Compare that to his voice sounded scary. Here, sounded is linking voice to the adjective scary. So in this case, it's a linking verb. Just a quick tip. If you replace the verb with the word am or is, and the sentence makes sense, then it's a linking verb. Instead of I feel happy, we could say I am happy. That works. It's a linking verb. Instead of I feel the damp washcloth, we could test it and say I am the damp washcloth. That doesn't make sense, does it? Nope. Feel is an action verb in the sentence. All right, that's it for this quick lesson on some of those other linking verbs. See you next time.